Hey everybody, I'm here to make a quick video real quick. It will be quick though because I have to clean the house because it's so important. Well anyways, in this video I'm going to be telling you how to open new links onto our dynamic header. So let's open Notepad++. Oh, apparently I already have it open. Drag it over here. Alright, so here's what we have. We have the index. We can X out of the home.html because now it's a PHP page. So we have the index, header, and the footer. So let's now look at the file. I'm going to full screen this, and now let's look at the file structure of this. So you open up your XAMPP folder and go to htdocs. You can see we have the index.php, then we have an includes folder which holds our footer and header. What I want to do, just to keep things more organized, I want to create a new folder. Let's see, how can I do that? New folder, and we're going to name this CSS. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our style.css and we're going to put that within our CSS folder. So that way if we have any other styles as we go on, we can keep it organized. And then what we need to do is change the location of our style sheet because it's not going to work. So what we need to do is we need to save it, and we need to change this and make it css/styles.css. And then what you need to do is you need to open a web browser and go to localhost, and you can see it still works. If we didn't put that, here, let me put this over here so we can see both of these at the same time. If we didn't update our CSS location, all of our styling would be gone and it would just be plain text. And I will show you that right now so you see what it's like. Save it, refresh. Oh, looks like crap. So we're gonna put that back. It looks bad. Alright, so now what I want to do is I want to add more links on the side of this page that actually do something. Alright, so I just need to update this link here because it changed. So make this calebcurry.com. Save that, refresh our page, and then the navigation, we can change that. First one is going to be the home page, and then the second one, I want it to be an about page. Alright, and then, whoop, I didn't mean to click that. Now we need to change these links, so the first one's going to be localhost. The next one will be localhost, and now we can try these. So now the calebcurry.com brings us back to the same page, and the home brings us back to the same page. Now what we need to do is we need to create a new page for the about me. So open a new page, file, save as, and then don't put it in the includes file because that's where our footer and header go. So go back to htdocs and make about me.php. Alright, so now this is an about me page, and we're going to have to include our header and footer. So what we can do is we can just copy this format for our home page if we wanted, paste this on here, and change this So now I added a phone number and it's all good. So now what we can do is we can link the second page to the about me page. So what we need to do, http://localhost/about-me.php, and we can save it, refresh the page, and now when we click the about me, it brings us to an about me page which tells our information. And then we can click home, it takes us to our home page. Now the great thing about this is you can update the entire website layout without having to change both pages. All you have to do is change the header or the footer. So if I want this footer to say, let's see, that's weird. We need to change this right here. The reason it wasn't updating on my website is because I I had these files open and then I updated them in another tab and I didn't update it over here. So we can change this. Copyright 2013. Check out my links here, which then you can put your social links right there, refresh the page, and then you can have like Facebook or Twitter or whatever, or the frequently asked questions, and you can see this changes on both the home page and on the about page. So that's what's so awesome about having a dynamic header and footer, is once you need to update something, you don't have to change the whole website. The only thing that changes is this information right here. Check on the home page, this information right here. And it's much more easier to write pages because you don't have to type all this extra garbage every single time you write a page. All you need is the actual content. You need to include, and then write the content, and then include. That's all you have to do. So hopefully that was helpful, and I will see you in the next video. Also, be sure to subscribe.